Sabrina. I am a talent partner here at Salsify, but I'm also a leads for one of our ERGs, Unidos at Salsify. So I am part of Unidos because I was looking for community. I feel like we have grown a lot in the past year, and we've been able to get together, make new friends, get to know other people that otherwise you wouldn't have the opportunity to. And it is also a way of making people, have a space for them to express themselves when something goes right or when something goes wrong. We try to celebrate them or we try to help them depending on which one it is. And it's really fun. Honestly, it's given me the opportunity to really get to know people that otherwise I wouldn't have. So looking back into last year, some of the highlights I would have to say would be the events that we've put on. We have a really fun book club that we have every 3 or 4 months, and we've been able to really highlight Latinx voices through that. We've had virtual cooking classes. We've had really just our monthly meetings, and we really just have fun. We play games. We have guest speakers come in, and really I think that has just brought the community together in a way that we didn't think was possible. Looking into next year, I am looking forward to continuing to create those bonds and really create a better sense of belonging and community within our group. And also, how can we continue to grow as a company and really expand our reach throughout, to be more global and to really help people understand our culture, where we come from, and how they can become an ally as well.